got you, though.
Main source to another civil assistance, people are sympathizing with us after posting the thing to the net, and people came with a lot of assistance. Like I spoke with Haji Aisha, I spoke with Haji Amina about this issue, and she promised that the gubernatorial plan for APC will assist us. Yes. And actually assistance was sent in 2 installments, 750,000, 750,000 in 2 places. This is 1.5 million naira. The money was received and spent. Up to now, the water is still, in fact, we are going to be able to. So 250 per watt, it was contributed, still it was spent. No, the House Committee on Water Resources also gave us, led by also gave us 1 million naira. Yes, the committee, when they visited here, they gave us 1 million naira. It was spent anyway.
Farm crowd.
So, Farm Crowd gave us 500,000 naira too. There's a company that is sponsoring farmers here. Farmers sponsoring them.
So are they paying the two bulldozers are working at the same time?
I'm telling you, by as you people come now, you have made this play because but as it's pushing the sound in, the water is washing it away. If these two of them that's working at the same time,
So I don't know, maybe we could advise. You should stop work at least when the two bulldozers are okay. Then the work commence.
that's
Because this is like wasting everything.
They are wasting fuel. They are waiting for wasting everything.
In fact, look,
Everything is waste.
They took it upon themselves. The engineer was sent from Ilorin to come oversee.
There's another pump. The pump will be, the pump will be pumping the water will follow here. So it will not interfere. So that is what they are saying now. If it is two, it will push it at the same time. One will be this side and pushing, the another one will be the other side.
Even this stone now and everything they have put is still breaking. Our water is this place.